So.
Canadians like Emma Cloney pay some of the highest prices in the world for their prescription drugs.
The repercussions to not having my medications are serious, very, very serious.
Only patients in the United States and Switzerland pay more.
Wouldn't it be reasonable that there's some sort of allowance that says really medications shouldn't cost as much as your mortgage?
But a federal regulatory board tasked with bringing down those prices 6 years ago has nothing to show. Multiple members have now quit. At a House of Commons committee, they testified, calling into question just how independent the board is.
The line between consultation and conflicts of interest has become completely blurred under industry's influence.
Our annual budget is a fraction of what many multinational pharmaceutical CEOs make in executive compensation. It's a recipe for futility.
The board tried to set guidelines to address drug prices, but they've been whittled down and delayed. Then in November, right before issuing just one guideline, Health Minister Jean-Yves Duclos stepped in and told them to suspend consultations. He says because they didn't consult him.
I never received an invitation.
Well, the record will reflect I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts to reach out to the minister's office.
Records show Duclos and his staff did meet more than a dozen times with pharmaceutical lobbyists in the months before the guideline was set to come in.
There have been 6 years of consultations. The health minister has succumbed to the pressure put on by the industry on the government not to proceed.
1 in 10 families cannot afford to renew their medications in Canada. It is a huge policy failure and a moral failure.
There is no timeline of when these guidelines might be issued. Duclos has still not met with the Drug Pricing Board, which soon will consist of just 2 members. Marina von Stackelberg, CBC News, Ottawa.